Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Ammonite Prime Head. So this is a nice and compact little head for an umbilical torch. This can produce up to 1200 lumens of bright white light, and that's produced by these 3 LEDs on the inside. So on the inside they're protected by the external housing. So this is anodized aluminium, which is nice and lightweight. It's very tough as well, and also corrosion resistant. At the back we have a Delrin magnetic switch. So this is just a rotating collar with 3 different power modes. You have off, obviously, you've got 20%, 60% and then 100%. And you can turn those in both directions so you can really sort of get a good control of your torch whilst you're in the water. This has a nice sort of knurled finish to it, so if you're fitting it to a Goodman style handle, it's going to grab hold of that really tough and securely. The head itself is waterproof down to 200 meters, so you can take it virtually anywhere. I'm just going to hook it up to a battery. It doesn't come with a battery or the cable, but this will just give you an idea of how powerful it is. So switching it on, this will sort of focus all of that light into a fairly tight sort of 12-degree beam, which is your good sort of all-rounder. You can get a good sort of tight fix and kind of spotlight on one particular item. You can communicate with your friends really easily, but you're not going to be blinding the entire dive site. So yeah, as you can see, it focuses it into a fairly tight beam. I'm just going to step it down to 60 and then 20%. So inside of this, if it reads that the battery is running low, it has a safety feature where it automatically lowers the power setting down to 20%. So it's not using as much power, but you still have some light, and that's just going to keep you sort of illuminated for longer. So a nice compact little torch. This has an in-water weight of about 90 grams, so it doesn't weigh too much whilst you're in the water. This is the Ammonite Prime Head. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.